Hi, it's Colleen, and it's a little windy outside, so you might hear the wind, but hopefully you can still hear me talking. And I'm going to be reading a second book today, Goodnight, Goodnight Construction Site. And this book is one of my nephew David Williams' favorite books. So I'm going to read it because I think that you will also enjoy it. Goodnight, Goodnight Construction Site. Oops. I forgot to tell you who it was by. By Sherri, Duskey, Rinker, and Tom Lichtenheld. Goodnight, Goodnight Construction Site. It's day and then the sun's going down and it's going to be night. Goodnight, Goodnight Construction Site. Here's the title page. Goodnight, Goodnight Construction Site. Down in the big construction site, the tough trucks work with all their might to build a building, make a road, to get the job done, load by load. The sun has set, the work is done. It's time for trucks to end their fun. So one by one they'll go to bed to yawn and rest their sleepy heads. Then wake up to another day of rough and tough construction play. Working hard to help his team, crane truck raises one last beam. Reaching, stretching, lifting high, he swings the beam into the sky. He'll set it down right on its mark, then off to bed. It's almost dark. Sun is setting. He slowly folds his boom back in, and then with one last sleepy grin, he tucks himself in nice and tight, then cuddles up and says, good night. Good night, crane truck. Good night. Spinning, churning all day long, cement mixer sings his whirly song. Now he's weary and so dizzy from the fun that keeps him busy. With one last spin, he pours the load. He's ready now to leave the road. He takes a bath, gets shiny bright, pulls up his chute, turns off the light. He cuts his engine, slows his drum, and dreams sweet dreams of twirly fun. Shh. Good night, cement mixer. Good night. Dump truck loves to work and haul. He carries loads both big and small. He moves the dirt from place to place, then dumps it with a happy face. One final load spills in the heap. Crunch! Now dump truck's tired and wants to sleep. He lowers his bed, locks his gate, rests his wheels. It's getting late. He dims his lights, then shuts his doors, and soon his engine slows to snores. Good night, dump truck. Good night. Pushing with his mighty blade, bulldozer works to smooth the grade. He clears the way to level ground and fills the air with thunderous sound. Roar! No one's as tough and strong as he, but now he's sleepy. He puffs some smoke out of his stack, turns off his engine, stops his track. He curls into his soft dirt bed and dreams of busy days ahead. Good night, bulldozer. Good night. Scooping gravel, dirt, and sand, excavator shapes the land. He digs and lifts throughout the day. Ugh! But now it's time to end his play. A few more holes to dig and soon he'll roll to bed beneath the moon. Oh, he's yawning. He twirls upon his bumpy track, pulls up his boom and stretches back. He sets his scoop down on the ground and snuggles up without a sound. Good night, excavator. Good night. These big trucks, so tough and loud. They work so hard, so rough and proud. Tomorrow is another day, another chance to work and play. Construction site, all tucked in tight. The day is done. Turn off the light. Great work today. Now, shh. Good night. You see all the trucks in here? That is the end of Goodnight, Goodnight Construction Site. I hope you enjoyed it. I really like this book.